Okay, those are little birds newborn birds that are gonna die. Wish my hair wasn't blocked. You see that little gray things? God, they look ugly. Look cuter if they were a little older. God. These are like creepy little birds that I accidentally mistook for bats. They're down from their nest. I don't know if it was my cat, but it was these birds. Those are the birds. I'm too afraid to touch them because I'm too afraid that I might get some disease. Okay, that's the bird. And I think they're dead already. Wait, nope, they're sleeping. I think they're just born. Okay, I'll tell you this whole story. I was just having fun, going on a trip with my mom and her friend. And when we got home just now, we just saw 2 little birds. And someone should teach me some science about these. Never noticed that. Oh, they do look like an embryo. Babies who are not born yet. Ew. Sorry if I'm grossing you out.